Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you eat pumpkin seeds every day? Today, I'm going to break it down for you. First off, pumpkin seeds are little powerhouses packed with nutrients. They're loaded with healthy fats, primarily polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats, which are great for your heart. They're also rich in protein, zinc, iron, magnesium, selenium, and antioxidants like beta-carotene and polyphenols. Sounds like a lot, right? That's because it is. But what does this mean for your health? Let's dive into some of the potential benefits. Eating pumpkin seeds regularly can significantly improve your heart health. The healthy fats, magnesium, and potassium found in these seeds help lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. Imagine giving your heart a little boost every single day. And that's not all. Pumpkin seeds are also fantastic for your bones. They're a rich source of magnesium and zinc, essential for maintaining bone health and density. So munching on these seeds can help you stay strong and active. Now let's talk about your immune system. The antioxidants and zinc in pumpkin seeds play a critical role in protecting against infections and supporting immune function. Think of it as giving your body an extra layer of defense. For all the men out there, pumpkin seeds are also known to support prostate health. The zinc and antioxidants may help reduce the risk of prostate cancer and alleviate symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. It's a simple way to look after your long-term health. And here's a big one: cancer prevention. The antioxidants and polyphenols in pumpkin seeds may help protect against certain types of cancer, like colon, breast, and prostate cancer. It's incredible how much these tiny seeds can do. But, as with everything, there are some other effects to be aware of. For some, the high fiber and protein content in pumpkin seeds can lead to digestive changes, such as bloating or gas. And remember, while pumpkin seeds are nutritious, they're also high in calories and fat. So, eating too many can contribute to weight gain. So, what's the recommended daily intake? The American Heart Association suggests about 30 grams, or roughly a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds, as part of a balanced diet. It's essential to listen to your body and consume them in moderation. In summary, eating pumpkin seeds daily can offer a wealth of nutritional benefits and potential health advantages. Just remember to enjoy them as part of a balanced diet and not overdo it. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and insights. Stay healthy, everyone.